welcome to our crib, powered by Nitschmann.
With notable lighting projects like the Statue of Liberty, the White House, Lincoln Financial Field, the PPL Center, and our very own Nitschmann Middle School, Lutron is a world leader in commercial and residential lighting systems. In 1961, the founder, Joel Spira, developed the first solid-state electronic dimmer. The company now sells thousands of products in more than 110 countries and has over 2,700 worldwide patents. With headquarters in the Lehigh Valley of Pennsylvania, it's the workers here that keep Lutron at the top of their industry.
Some interest that I had as a young student, I was always tinkering, taking things apart at the house, wanted to see how they work. Since Lutron began, we've constantly strived to improve our products to keep up with the advanced technologies. What I enjoy most about my work is constantly learning new things each day, being well-rounded, and reporting back to engineering to improve the process.
I work in the schedule and planning department. What I enjoy the most is taking care of the customer and deliver products on time.
Lutron offers a 100% tuition reimbursement program. I currently use it. I'm trying to get my electronics technology degree to be an electronics technician. With that degree, it will allow me to take on new roles and greater responsibilities.
With cutting-edge technology and workforce dedicated to innovation, Lutron makes over 16,000 energy-saving products, including switches, dimmers, motorized window treatments, sensors, and thermostats. Each year, Lutron's products save the U.S. 10 billion kilowatts of electricity. That's $1 billion in utility savings a year.
Nitschmann Middle School would like to thank Lutron Electronics for showing us
What's so cool about manufacturing.